this is one quick way of, well, to show how you can export if you have an ECG signal in AcqKnowledge and for some reason you want to export this outside of AcqKnowledge, and you want to export not the ECG signal but just the RR intervals or the timings. There are several ways to do this. I will show you one way of doing it, and it's that you have the ECG signals and you define two measurement boxes. The time of the right peak and the delta, which is then the actual RR interval value. And then you go to the analysis menu, you take find cycle, you identify peaks and you pick some threshold, which is you look at the RR peaks you have. Here I get a millivolt peak, so I would choose a value 0.5 millivolts and I move it to the origin, and I will choose previous peak to current peak and output the measurements as an Excel file. I press find all cycles. So here I get this here. This is actually my RR interval and this is the time. So here you go. The only thing you have to consider here that you have to ignore the first value, because the first value, it will be the RR interval from the beginning of the file, and that's one peak is lost. So you just ignore, say, the first line here and you have your RR interval data. However you want to plot it. Okay, that's it. That's one way of doing it. You can also convert this signal into an actual RR signal in AcqKnowledge and then export that entire signal. But it depends on what you want to do with the RR data. Okay, thank you, bye.